to another video. You are watching your favorite channel, justartclick.com, and today we are going to talk about HP Stream 14 out there, a very interesting gadget out there, a very interesting model out here, we can say, with great specifications. As HP is always having a great, we can say, working with the embedded security. If we talk about the security, if we talk about it, always works with the TPM security chip system, and that could be seen in this also. Along with that, you get to see Windows operating system inbuilt in it. And when we talk about Windows operating system, then you get to see Windows 10 Home Edition, 64 bytes inbuilt in it. So overall, if we say, then this would not be wrong to say that this is really a great version gadget. This is really amazing version gadget out here. Along with that, if we talk about the processing systems out there, then Intel Celeron could be seen out here. So Intel's processing systems are out there. Talking about the entire processing out there. Talking about this variant, then we can see that it offers you a clock speed. If the processing system is to be talked about, then the clock speed of about 1.6 gigahertz could be seen out here. Yes, 1.6 gigahertz is the clock speed seen in this variant. Along with that, the max turbo speed is of 2.4 gigahertz. You get to have 2.4 gigahertz max turbo speed. A dual core processing system is seen. Yes, this is a really amazing version. And it offers you dual core processing system. Along with that, Intel burst technology could also be seen out on this variant. So Intel burst technology is seen, that is really a good version. Now talking about this variant, we can say that it offers you a good cache memory, because cache memory, rams, hard drive storage, these are really important things. This storage is something very important about every gadget out there. Now talking about the storage out there, then the cache memory is occupying approximately 2 MB internal size. So 2 MB is the internal size out here, whereas you get to see that the RAM out there offers you, that is the random accessory memory, offers you installed size of 4 GB. Yes, 4 GB is the installed size of RAM out there. Whereas you get to see that the configuration is one slot for 4 GB, which is occupied with a RAM type, that is DDR3L RAM type. So DDR3L RAM type is seen out in this variant. Along with that, you also get to see that the version out here, the variant out here offers you a great range of rated memory speed. We can say the memory speed, if we talk about, then it offers you 1600 megahertz memory speed. So that is the speed out here, 1600 mega speed. Whereas the maximum size out here, or the maximum turbo size, is 4 GB only, because that is a single slotted gadget out there. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, then we can say that the variant out here does not only refers to the RAM type, because RAM is not the only storage type. Hard drive is also an important storage part. So talking about the hard drive storage, we can say that it offers you 32 GB hard drive storage in the form of SSD. So SSD format hard drive storage is seen in 32 GB, which is really good out there. We can see that is really good. Now talking about this variant, then we can say that the display out here offered is approximately 35.6 centimeters. You get to have 35.6 centimeters display out here. Along with that, LED screen type, backlight technology, you get to see HD resolution, a standard view angle, you get to see anti-glance. So these are the monitor featurings involved in it, like backlight, HD angle, or the standardized view angle out the anti-glance. Also, these are the things which we get to see. Overall, if we talk about the display, that is really good, and this is really interesting to see that the HP gadgets out here have been designed to work in the environmental fast and the hazardous conditions also. This is also a plus point for the HP series. Talking about the graphics out there, because the display is good out there, so we can say that the graphical part, if we talk about the graphical part, then we can say that the it is related to the display out here. Talking about that, then we can see that it offers you Intel HD graphics out there, which is a 400. Intel HD graphics 400 is seen out. Along with that, you also get to see that integrated webcam, along with stereo type speakers and microphones. You get to have stereo type speakers, microphones, integrated webcam, a very good resolution. Everything is really amazing out here. So talking about overall, then we can say overall it is a very good version, a very good thing to say about this gadget. It's really working good out there. Now, when we talk about this variant, then we can say that it has got good Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity out here. Talking about the USB connectivities like USB 2, USB 3 type connectivity is good. Audio input output jack is good out here. You get to see a good connectivity with the power connectors out there. But you will not find any optical connectivity. Yes, optical connectivity is still not found still not seen in this variant. But SD card reading, multi-card reading connectivity, these can be seen out there. These are the connectivities out here. What about the battery system? What about the battery life? Because battery is also important, and talking about the battery, we can say that it offers you 3-cell lithium ion battery, providing you 41 volt capacity. So 41 volt capacity is there with 3-cell lithium ion battery. That is amazing out there. So talking about this variant, let us talk about the pricing. Talking about the pricing, let us visit out this website. The website name is justatclick.com. Yes, justatclick.com offers you great range of gadgets, great range of pricing, as well as pocket friendly pricing. Actually, they offers you gadgets in your pocketable rates. You get to have your favorite gadgets in a very limited range and a very limited pocket out there. As well as this site offers you a condition which is called customizability of gadgets. Like you get to have customization option. You can customize your gadgets whichever are possible. So this is really amazing about this website, that you get to have customization option. Now talking about this gadget we were talking about, that is Stream 14 out here. So let us search this gadget, and either we can write the full name or we can write just the half name also. So this is the result out here, offering you a small description at the top and a small description at the bottom also. In between, you will get to see that the product condition is written, that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition also and check about the refurbished products, because we should know what are refurbished products all about. Refurbished products and brand new products, if we talk about these products, then we can say they are quite same products out there. They have absolutely similar structures. We can say the same design, the same functionalities. As well as when we talk about refurbished products and brand new products, then we can say that refurbished products are nothing else, or the certified refurbished products are nothing else, but they are absolutely brand new like. Yes, they are absolutely brand new like products. And talking about the conditions out there, then the products are pre-owned gadgets. Yes, if we talk about the gadgets, then you can say that the gadgets are pre-owned. You get to see that the gadget has been owned once by a user out there. But when we talk about brand new, then they are directly from the company itself. You do not get to see the pre-ownization in the brand new products. Talking about the brand new products and talking about the refurbished products, let us talk about the both the categories, both the gadgets out there. They are same structure, the same functionality, same design out there. As well as the refurbished products are tested and approved gadgets, and how they are done. So let us quickly see that. Talking about the testing and everything, before that we come to the market out there. Like what kind of differences it offers. We already know that brand new products are absolutely new. They are directly from the company itself. Whereas refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets. Now what are these pre-owned gadgets? Talking about the brand new products, then they are from the company. That is the main source of the company out here, which launches that gadget into the marketplace for the users for the very first time. Now once the gadget is launched in the market, it is released out in the market, then it has to be sold to the users out there. So it has been sold to the user. Now user have this gadget. What happens that the gadget is not so appropriate that we don't want to use it. We want to resell it, we want to get rid of it, and we want to have another source, another gadget now. So this gadget, the pre-owned gadget out here, is resold to another marketplace. uh, this reselling process, or we can say this whole process, now the extension of brand new, is known as refurbished process. Now this user sells it off to the marketplace to the new user. Now, in short, if you have to describe, then we can say that refurbished product is nothing else but the extension to brand new. Yes, whereas the brand new ends, the user ends out there with own of a gadget. It is launched out to another site, another place where it is again resold to another user. So this is known as refurbishness. Now, there is a difference out there. Where does the difference lies? The difference mainly lies out in the testing sites. It's not like the testing parameter differs. No, testing parameters are absolutely same. They are absolutely same. But you get to see that these gadgets out here offers you a different site for parameter on the sites for testing out there. Just like brand new, we know that brand new testing is done on various sites because there are different sites before launching it to test about that gadget. Whereas refurbished products or the pre-owned gadgets, if they have to be tested, they are tested on the same site, same place where they have been sold and going to be reselling their gadgets. So this is the place where it has to be tested. Now let us move to the testing parameters because we know there is absolutely same design out here. Along with that, you also get to see that they offer you the same parameters, same functionality. So talking about the parameters, there are different testing parameters out there. Talking about these parameters, then we can say that the parameters are actually divided into two major categories, that are the external parameters and the internal parameters. Yes, you get to have external and internal parameters out there. Now, talking about these external parameters and internal parameters, the major difference lies out in the techniques. External parameters are directly through the eyes. We do not require any softwares or specialized tool out there. We can say that's a very quick process, like we just get through it. Whereas the internal parameters are slightly long process, like we can say it is slight time consuming as compared to external. Along with that, it requires internal components checking, it requires software, specialized softwares, it requires tools out there. So it requires a lot of things. Now let us talk about these parameters also because parameters also plays an important role. And when we talk about the parameters, then we can say that external parameters require the external gadgets, the design out there specifically. Externally, what we see in a gadget, externally we get to see that a gadget has a good display or not, buttons are intact or not. You get to see the power jacks out there, the jack systems out there, everything. Scratches, everything related to scratches has to be checked, like display has scratch or not, whether the backside had a scratch or not, or every gadget needs to check out that. Apart from that, then it has checked out the integrated webcam. The webcam is working properly or not. The touchpad is working or not. Key are working on, like all the keys on the keyboard are working properly or not. Along with that, it has to be checked that whether it's taking time for shutting down and restarting. Like these kind of things has to be checked. Like the battery has to be checked in short. So overall, you can see that all the things which can be checked out through eyes, which are not time consuming, can be called in the or categorized under the external parameters. Now talking about the internal parameters, these require the internal components. Yes, this require the internal components out here. Talking about the internal components, then we can say that the internal components are like the CPU, GPU out there, chip system, internal graphic processor out there, the storage out there, RAM, cache memory, connectivities out there, speakers inbuilt in it, microphones out there, resolution out there, the data wiping and storage out there. So everything which are the internal basic components out there, they have to be checked. And these require actually some specialized softwares. For like connectivity, we need a specialized software to check the speed and the connections out there. So every internal components require a specialized thing to check its own. That's why we say it's slightly time consuming out there. Now when every category is checked, every parameter is checked, how does it happen and what happens after that? Now, once it is checked out, it is categorized as refurbished or certified refurbished. Both are same. Both the categories remain the same: refurbished and certified refurbished. Now, what happens is when you have a certified refurbished product or a refurbished product, they have to pass every category. But if they fail in any one, then it has to be renewed. Yes, it has to be renewed out there. It has to be replaced with the original part. You have to replace that particular part with the original part from the company itself. Now, once it is done out there, what are the benefits? Like why we are talking about this gadget? Why we are talking about refurbished products? There are few benefits associated with it, along with, or we can say, because of which it is slightly preferred from brand new. Now, when we talk about the benefits, then we can say that it offers you pocket friendly rates. Yes, number one is the pocket friendly rate out here. Offered here is the pocket friendly rate of the gadgets. Because brand new products offers you slightly expensive, we can say, pricing. Like we can say overall brand new are slightly expensive gadgets out there. Whereas the same gadget under the condition of refurbished is quite pocketable. There is a difference in the pricing out, so you get to have a savings also. Like if you have a difference of around 100 or 200, then also you get to save a lot. So when you have a brand new and a refurbished product, there is a huge difference in the pricing, so there is a great saving associated with it. But what happens to the brand new products is that they offer you 1 year warranty period. Along with that, you get to have a exchange policy also. But does refurbished product offer you the same? We can see that refurbished products offer you 6 months warranty period. Along with that, it offers you 7 exchange policy. Yes, 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy could be seen out here. So that's why we say that refurbished products offer you a great variety, a great range of uh, things out there, because warranty भी है, less price भी है, savings भी है. You get to have a lot of things out there. So now moving on to the site back, let us try out that site once again and check whether it offers you the same things or not. So this is the site we were talking about, and the site name is justatclick.com. Justatclick.com, नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, from the name itself it is clear. Just at a click, you're just a click away from your favorite gadgets out there. And when we talk about the gadgets, then we can say the gadgets out here are offered in a very good pocketable rate. You get to have a warranty period, as it already offers you 6 months warranty period is offered out here. You get to have a huge savings. You get to have great deals. Great deals means they are offering you your gadgets in a best pocketable deal. Along with that last section, like you get to have a humorous, a large collection of your gadgets. Like there are n number of gadgets from reputed brands out there. Apart from that, you get to see that this site out here offers you, along with that, free home delivery. Yes, this site offers you free home delivery. It offers you money back guarantee, that is the exchange policy out here. Along with that, online support system is offered out. Apart from that, it offers you COD, like free shipping के साथ साथ COD भी मिल रही है. You get to have COD and free shipping out here. Shipping की बात करें तो it might take a difference out there. It might be differing, like if you have customized your gadget, it might take slightly longer time. Whereas usually it takes 48 hours for most parts of UAE, whereas 1 week time for Saudi. Coming back to the site, we can say that this site, which is justatclick.com, yes, the site justatclick.com, offers you customizability option. Yes, this site offers you customizability option so that you can customize your gadget. Now, how does customization occurs? Customization occurs through RAM customization, storage, or the hard drive storage, processing out there, all the things which could be customized or have been customized by the company. जो भी options available होते हैं, they you can customize accordingly. So you can check out the website for your favorite gadgets out there, as well as you can check out whichever gadget you want to customize accordingly. Because if it is possible, then you can customize your gadget according to your needs. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.